Step into the 2009 BMW 750i. A 4.4-liter V8 engine pairs with a sophisticated 6-speed automatic transmission, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. The engine breathes better thanks to a turbocharger, improving both performance and economy. A wealth of standard features mean that you no longer have to sacrifice, such as remote keyless entry, leather upholstery, power trunk closing assist, power front seats, automatic dimming door mirrors, front dual-zone air conditioning, and voice-activated navigation. Everything is where it ought to be, from the dashboard controls to the door locks and window controls. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. BMW also prioritized safety and security with features such as a security system, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.